The egg white and yolk are separated. Add pure milk and corn oil to the yolk. Set aside. Sugar and salt are added to the egg white and separated 3 times. To ensure that the protein cream must be hard enough, this is the key to success or failure. Use an electric mixer, stirring for at least 7 minutes. Then stir the yolk and add the sifted flour to the mixture. Add some protein cream into the egg yolk paste. Stir it evenly, pour it into the egg white cream, and stir it all together. Make sure it is well mixed. Pour the cake into the electric cooker. It's exactly half the height of the rice cooker. Set for 40 minutes. After the time is over, take it out and buckle it upside down. Wait for cooling. For more recipes, go to www.cooking9.com.